15 seconds. You can finish what you have in your mouth for 15 seconds.
Time's up. 15 seconds are up.
Okay.
It's going to be a minute to tabulate these over here. So, again, a nice round of applause for all our contestants here. What a job. Nice round of applause for Mr. Rodney Schroedick over here. All right, we got numbers.
Okay, here we go. What's the numbers?
33, 58, 14. He gave up. 15, 10, 27. What a job. 27, the tie over here. 23, he quit. She don't even want to talk about it.
Here we go, folks.
60.
Holy kielbasa. Just stand up, give him a nice round of applause. Come on, 60.
Wow. Okay, we got this trophy for you. Let her sit, I think. We don't want her bouncing around too much. So anybody asked her to do the polka?